Okay, your next assignment is what I call, how did you do that? Okay, if you had forensics already or taking it now, you will already have done this project. If not, I'm providing with enough information so you should still be able to do it for this class. Okay, what I've done is, first of all, let me show you the assignment. I'm going to open up for you. It's actually right there. I'm going to just bring the PDF over so I can show it to you. Okay. So I'm saying, how did you do that? What I want to know is, like I say here, in the regular digital forensics class, lab 1, we tracked an email. Some of the students worked on an actual email that was a phishing email, but it says it came from apple.com. It says there was a phishing email pretending to come from Apple. I'm providing with the email and the answers to the questions about the email. I want you to write me a report explaining how the answers were derived. The email says it came from Apple. How do we know that it didn't? To be precise, I'm looking for a paragraph or two, plus the detailed steps used to support the findings. Now, in this, I'm giving you an actual PDF of the email, and it is right there. There's the first one. And like it says, I'm giving you the Outlook message of the actual email, and that's the second one. Then I'm giving you, actually, I can open up each one of these, so I'm going to do it. Okay, where am I going to do it? Okay, I'm going to do it over here. So the first one I give you is a PDF. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the actual PDF of the email right here. Okay, easy enough. Second one is the Outlook message of the email, and that's this. If you do not have Outlook, you might not be able to answer it. Actually, that's the HTML. Okay, this is it. Yep, this is the Outlook of it. There's an actual live link right here, and you can see where the link goes. Okay? So that's the second thing I'm giving you. The third thing I'm giving you is a text file of the header. I'm giving you this text file right here, which is the entire header that came with the message. Okay. The next thing I'm giving you is a text file of the entire message. And that is right here. And this is the actual text of the message, not including the header, but you received that already. Okay. So there's many things about this where, we think it's fraud, so you need to tell me how you know that. And then a zip file containing it all. And this is what the zip file is. This is the zip file right here, and it has all this stuff in it. So if you have a problem downloading any of the components, there's also an HTML of it, but it's pretty much the same as the message. So you can view all that. Okay? So what I'm giving you is all this. Then here are some of the questions and answers about the email. When writing a response, you need to explain how the answers were determined. This is not an all-inclusive list of what you need to explain, but it should give you an idea. If you need help determining how these were found, just let me know. So these are some of the questions that I had asked students about it and the correct answers. For instance, what is the secondary domain name that you got from the email? It was skybroadband.com. Okay. What is the UTC offset? It was 0. What is the abbreviation for the offset? UKYEKT. What type of image was in the email? What is the complete host name of the machine at this address? So this should, this right here, first of all. The answer is obviously mail.ccl.ru, which is in Russia. Okay, obviously that's not correct. Well, how do we know that's in Russia? Maybe Apple sends email through Russia. You got to explain to me why this is not a good thing. Also, this top part, email started at skybroadband.com. First of all, how do we know it started there? So you're going to explain how the header works. And maybe Sky Broadband is Apple. So how do we know it's not Apple? Maybe show me how Aaron works. That kind of stuff. So, all right. What's the exact URL link in the email? This is the actual link. Well, how do we know it's fraud? Well, first of all, this is medical tourism. It doesn't say Apple. Okay? I do not know if the link still works, but there it is. So I give you a bunch of questions and the answers. Again, this is not all of them, but this will help you determine. Again, you're not answering these questions. I'm already giving you the answers. What you need to do is explain to me how I know this email is fake. Okay? I received it. It's right here. Wow, maybe I should click this link and get me a refund. Okay? Why shouldn't I click this email? how do I know it's fake? So I need you to explain to me in detail how the answers were determined and how we know it's fake. Okay? What are the things that jump out at you? Okay? Now, I'm also giving you a recording when I covered how to track an email in this semester. Okay, this is not for this class. This is for digital forensics. But here's where I explain how to track an email. So you might be able to use this recording to help you. Okay, how does Aaron.net work? How do you read a header, and so on and so forth. So this is a good starting place for you to understand how to do it. Now then you're going to use this actual email here, and you're going to actually look at it and explain to me. So pretend I'm in court here. How do we know this email's fake? It says it came from Apple, but did it come from Apple? So I need you to explain it to me. This class is all about forensics reporting. I want you to tell me it did not come from Apple, and here's why. Okay? You should have everything you need here. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward project. Again, if you don't know how some of these answers were determined, please get with me. Okay? All right. Another short and sweet project. Upload it to the Dropbox. You're going to have a week to do it. Thank you.